Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Friends, my today's video is extremely creative, unique and beautiful in itself because I am here with you along with a very sophisticated, decent and elegant design patterns that are entirely based on one color of dresses, that is black color designs for your dresses, shirts, kurti, kameez, tops, gown, frock and whatever you want to design with your dressing sense. Friends, black color is the color that we like the most in our lives. Black is the color that we highly admire. Black is the color that we want to wear every day, every time and every minute for every type of occasion. So with your massive requests and your likings toward black color, I have come up with a very beautiful ideas that how you can design your black dresses, black kurtis for summers, for any type of season, any type of weather conditions, because black is the color that looks extremely classy, elegant and super stylish. So do try these patterns, and all of the patterns are very elegant, and you can make a lot of money by sitting at your home by just following these very beautiful color combinations and embroidery patterns. If you are thinking or planning to have a business of embroidery, or you are thinking to set up a very beautiful and creative setup of hand embroidery patterns and design ideas, from my channel you can get a classy and wide variety of design ideas related to hand embroidery, machine embroidery and many more creativities as well. So keep supporting us, keep watching our content, keep loving us, and stay tuned for the latest new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.